said the word and the room went still, like winter wind on a silent hill. Shadows crept where the light once danced, a thousand fears in a single glance. But Jamie stood with her shoulders square, fire in her eyes, grit in her prayer. When the storm rolled in and the sky turned dark, she struck a match with a fearless fight. Lines in her arms, steel in her veins, walking through fire, dancing in rain. Every scar is a battle cry. She won't lay down, she won't say die. She's a fighter, hardcore heart. Takes the hit, but she won't fall apart. Through the chemo nights and the breaking days, she's a warrior in 1,000 ways. For her family, she stands her ground. When the world goes silent, she's the sound. For every soul in the darkest part, you're not alone with that hardcore heart. Metastasized, they whispered low, like that was where hope goes to die and go. But hope's not frail and love's not small. It builds its throne in hospital halls. Round after round, infusions never stop, counting the drips like answered prayers. Complications, they endless fight. Still she rises every night. Hair lost like a shining crown, she wears her courage, won't back down. Bruised but breathing, fierce and smart. Cancer kicked the wrong damn heart. She's a fighter, hardcore heart. Takes the hit, but she won't fall apart. Through the chemo nights and the breaking days, she's a warrior in 1,000 ways. For her children, for her man, for every dream still in her hands, for every soul torn apart, stand up strong with a hardcore heart. To the mothers, the fathers, the sisters, the sons, to the battles fought when the day is done. When the mirror shows someone you don't recognize and fear tries hard to colonize. Remember this, you are more than a charred scan, a closing door. You are breath and bone and blazing light, and the love that refuses to lose the fight. When the nausea comes and the body aches, when the silence screams and the spirit shakes, when tomorrow the fever feels too far to see, borrow her strength, borrow Jamie. She's a fighter, hardcore heart, even shattered, she's a work of art. Every tear is a diamond bright, forged in the furnace of the night. For the family she holds so tight. For one more gone, one more fight, for every soul playing their part. Keep swinging hard with a hardcore heart. Yeah, Jamie's a fighter, tried and true. And the song's for her and it's for you. When the road is long and the odds look stark, let love be loud and fight with a hardcore